Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video we will be going to learn how to print these patterns. So these types of patterns are basically asked in the technical round of an interview when you are attending a fresher interview for the Java developers. So you will be getting these types of different types of patterns. So maybe you will be get this type, or it will be in different style, but in this video we will be learning how to print this pattern. So in the previous video, in the previous pattern we learned this pattern. In previous video we learned how to print this pattern, and you can see this is quite similar to this, but it is in the reverse position. So here also, like, stars are decrementing and spaces are incrementing. So in, if you are comparing the previous one, so here the stars are incrementing and spaces are decrementing, and this will be a reverse of that. Stars are decrementing and spaces are incrementing. So we will do this. Let's create a class for it. Let's do it. Okay, this ninth pattern, pattern 9, including the main method. We got it. So as I already suggest you guys to always take variable, so that it will be always helpful to you, and it will very useful when you are printing the complex patterns, especially when you are printing the complex pattern. So here I'll be taking initially as 1, and space also I'll be taking initially 1. Sorry, star also initially 1. And as usual, in, like, you can see here, first we are printing a space. Don't think that first we are printing a star. No, first we are printing a space, if you can see, then we are printing a star. So in the same way, first, in first row we will be having zero spaces. So I'll be just taking for loops first. So this is the outer for loop, and this for loop, this is the first inner for loop. Okay, this is the first inner for loop, which is used to print the stars, oh sorry, spaces. And here we are taking another for loop inside outer for loop. So this will print our stars. So this is used to print our stars. So I am just using print statement. I am just printing the space. Later I will give condition. So always follow these steps, guys, because when you are not, even when you are not sure about the logic also, you can, just by changing the values of space and star, you will be there are most chances are there to get the actual output. That's the reason I am again saying again and again, just follow these steps. Later you just change the value of space and star, so that based on the requirement, actually you need to change based on the requirement. But if you are not able to find how many stars and spaces need to be print, then just check once and try to give a different values. There is a chance to get, but it always, it is important, you must understand the logic. And every pattern, whenever you need to print every pattern, you need to know, you must need to know about the loops, because every pattern will use loops. Based on loops only every pattern will be printed, and that is the important topic. It's a basic topic, need to be complete. So here we go. So first we have 0 space, then 1, then 2. Okay, spaces are incrementing, and this will be decrementing. So I'll be taking -1, and here I am taking 6. After coming into the outer for loop, I am just incrementing the space, how I did in previous pattern same, and I am decrementing the stars. I'm decrementing the stars. Here I'm just writing space as we are printing the space, and here I'm writing stars as we are printing the stars. So simple, right? So let's execute and check whether we got a proper output. Okay, we didn't give an I condition, so we have 5 rows, so I am giving 5. Okay, Okay, we got, okay, I think I'm not printed the outer for loop. Yes, sorry. So got it. So here we go, we got the output same as this. So this is how we can print the pattern. And one more thing guys, I'm again and again saying, like, you need to know the concept of loop, then only you can easily understand the patterns, otherwise it's very difficult to understand the patterns. That's it for the day guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries, then comment me in the comment box. Thank you for watching.